Okay, so you're going to start out by giving yourself a bump, as you can see that I already gave Erica, and you're going to part your hair from the bump and then back down the back of the head, making sure that when we do this braid that you're pulling only from that part. You don't want to pull from the main chunk of the hair down the back, because we won't be able to make our bun correctly. Making sure that this braid is a French braid. It is inverted. Again, if you don't know how to do that, making sure that you click on the video in the description box and it will teach you how to do a Dutch braid. So we do that on both sides, so you have 2 braids, and then you will take the main chunk in the back and you're going to go ahead and brush it and make it into a low ponytail, making sure that this stays at the nape of your neck. Because if you make it too high, then your bun won't be low enough. After you've done that, you're going to use a sock bun, making sure that it is the color of your hair. And then remember, if you have longer hair, it needs to be a bigger one. If you have shorter hair, it needs to be a smaller donut. Then you're going to take a hair tie and press over that, putting your hair down and around the donut. And then go ahead and pull that excess hair all into one spot, so that we can wrap that excess hair around the bun, like around the hair donut. So after you wrap it, go ahead and pin it anywhere that you need to, so that it all stays in place. And then you're going to go ahead and take the braid on the right side of your head and you're going to put it over the hair donut, the bun, and then wrap it around. And then you're going to pin it in so that it stays. And then you're going to do the exact same thing with the braid on the left side. You're going to wrap it over and around, and then you're going to pin that so that it stays down. And then this is what you should have, making sure that you spray all the little excess hairs down, and then you will input the feathers that Miss Torres provides you. Make sure you leave any questions you have in the comment section so that everyone can see, and so that everyone can see my answers as well.